What's up, flower friends? Hope you guys are good today. So I am doing a little bit of garden cleanup this afternoon. The daffodils are just about done blooming. They've been blooming a little over 2 weeks now, and so a lot of them are dying down, and so they are actually trying to go to seed right now, and I just don't need that to happen. Right here is where you can see where the seed pod is forming. So the way daffodils works is it's really important that you don't mow this foliage down right after they're done blooming, and that you let it die back down to the ground, because what the bulbs need is the sun to hit the foliage so photosynthesis can happen and send sugars, energy back down into the bulb so we can have more flowers for next year. After a couple of months, it will yellow and you can cut it back at that point, but it's really important that you leave this vibrant green foliage until it dies back down. So what I do is, instead of taking the whole stem like this, like I would for a cut flower, I actually just take the heads off and I leave most of the stem because it's green too. Why not let it die back down and give the bulb some energy too? So that is what I am doing today.